One of the most used AI in this world is going to be obviously the pioneer of it, ChatGPT. ChatGPT now is offering free premium versions for everyone in India. If you still don't know it, I'll tell you clearly in this video how to claim it and how to use it. So as you can see, all you got to do is first of all open ChatGPT. If you have not yet installed it, navigate to Play Store. In here, just search for ChatGPT. Just download it. Once you have downloaded it, just open it. Here you will find your account. So what news was telling is that OpenAI announced recently that it will offer ChatGPT Go subscription for free to everyone in India for 1 year starting November 4th. That means from November 4th you'll be able to claim this. Right now, today the date is October 29. So in just 6 more days, you'll be able to use ChatGPT Go for entirely free. So what is ChatGPT Go? And how do you claim it? Open these 3 icons here, click on your account. In here, you can find the option which says upgrade to go below your phone number. Just click on this upgrade to go. And right now, as you can see, the Go cost is $3.99 per month, which is basically low, but once you try the same thing after November 4, you'll be able to use ChatGPT Go for entirely free. If you need a live working video, I can post it after November 4th. If you need it, just ask it in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you. So if you need any more tech videos or if the solutions are helping you so far, just go and hit that like button and subscribe button to Protech Genius for more videos like this, tech tutorials and app troubleshooting guides. And do not forget to tap on the bell icon to stay updated. And that's it. Your query has been completely solved. If you found this video helpful, just drop a comment below telling me which video you want me to post next. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay techy, and keep exploring with Protech Genius.